Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 108 different strategies, with 33 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the strategy with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Z-score probability indicator combined. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 992 indicators, with 418 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. And so in the last video that we did, we tested the trend intensity indicator down here at the bottom of the screen. And in that video, I said that the source video had outlined an entire strategy with this combined with this indicator, and that we would be testing it in today's video. And so the source video again claims that this MA trend intensity free indicator on TradingView gives perfect signals. And so again, I think it is kind of strange that the trend intensity doesn't really give any signals. If anything, this indicator right here, the MA Sabres, which we'll look at here in just a minute, is the one kind of giving the signals, if you will. And so, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and go over this strategy. And so the strategy itself in the source video was tested on the 15-minute time frame on the S&P 500 index. And so that's what we have pulled up here. We don't have after market hours on the chart. This is just going to be the trading day hours only. So the first indicator we're going to put on screen is going to be the trend intensity indicator. And so you'll just search the trend intensity indicator and you will look for this one right here that says Tinter in front of it. And so you'll add that to the screen. I'll go ahead and turn these other two off, and it'll look like this right here. And you have the default settings on this, so nothing else has changed. It's all, like I said, default. The next indicator that we are going to put on screen is going to be the Heikin-Ashi trend direction. It's going to be this one right here, which is a strategy indicator. And so when you add this one to screen, it'll pop up like so. And so you'll just close the strategy test. I'm going to go ahead and close out of that and add this here. And so what you'll do is you'll go into the settings and you will go into style and you will turn off the trades on chart. Everything else is on default. And then the last indicator that we going to add to the screen now is going to be the MA Sabres, this one right here. And on that one, you will go into the settings and you will go to the inputs and you'll change this input here to 30. Alright, so what we are looking for is the MA Saber to give us a blue dot like this, blue dot with this kind of swish, and you are looking for the trend intensity to be in the oversold position, so the green oscillating line below the red one here, and then you are looking for a strong bullish candle, and so that's how they said in the source video. And so when all this lines up, that's going to be a signal to go long. So what we're going to do is set our trade right here. Now the MA Saber doesn't appear on screen until one bar into the future. And so this little dot right here doesn't appear until this candle right here closes, which just happens to be a bullish candle. And so we're then going to put our stop at the last kind of swing there to the downside, and we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward. And you can see that price action chops around a little bit, but eventually makes this nice spike to the upside, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short signal now. Alright, so we'll go ahead and just play this forward a little bit so that way you can see the short signal kind of fully taking place in kind of real time, or bar replay, I guess I should say, not necessarily real time. So you see here that the MA Saber appears above this candle here, not until this candle right here closes, and you can see that this candle right here is a strong bearish candle. Now you can see going down here that the trend intensity is in the overbought position, so above the green line there, and we're not really using the HA trend direction a whole lot, oddly enough, but nonetheless that is a signal to go short right there. We're going to set our short there. We're going to set our stop just right at the top of this last swing here. And then again, we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. So you can see there, once again, price tries to make this pullback right here and a push to the upside. It's not able to, rolls over, and then makes a strong push to the downside. Once again, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. That's going to put us at a 40% win rate. Now we do have the 1 to 2 risk reward, which means that it's definitely going to put things in our favor a little bit there. So let's say that on the winning side, you were looking to gain $200 per trade. That would put you at $4,000 in total profits on the winning side. And on the losing side, let's say that you were looking to risk $100 per trade. It means your losing side would be at $3,000. Subtract the two from each other, put you at $1,000 on the profit. Now, let's say that you were using something like options or something like that. You could drastically increase your odds in your favor and increase your profit significantly. So realistically, you in total could have gotten $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 out of this total strategy. So I think it's a valid strategy. I think it is kind of close to break even, and that is a little concerning, but a little bit of an edge, especially in an options market on the S&P 500, can do some really decent things. And so I think it is a valid winning strategy for sure, and could net you some decent little profits. I think there are better options out there, like our strategy with the Academy of Forex indicator, but you know, what can I say? And so that's it for this one. We are going to put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.